Oh. Uh-oh. All right. Good morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure. Yeah. Welcome. Greetings, salutations, and all that junk. Probably remember the guy we met at Outback last time. Well, it's going to be the same guy. There he is. Pato. Hello, Pat.
How are you? What are we doing today?
We're going to be some basic bitches today. But I don't want to say it out loud quite yet, because I feel like the viewership will just like drop off the video like immediately right then. So just surprise people with where we're going. I'm going to tell you, right now, we're going, and I'll just bleep it out, make it funny. Super consistent, priced right, and some of the things they have are quite glorious. We should also stop at Lap Motorsports. Lap has 2 of my motorcycles while I have one of his. And let's go look at the bikes. I think also, in a little while, we're going to meet up with RB5K.
My man.
I hate anti-lock brakes. I just want to slide to a stop. You didn't know already, and how could you know? I dropped the WR off at lap 2. We're gonna total refresh that bitch. And then what? Maybe do some more dirt ride. Maybe not. I don't know, man. I don't know. He's trying to beat me? Not a chance, son. I want to know in the comment section below, where do you think I'm taking you guys to lunch? We've been there before. We have been there before, and I'm going to give you a hint. It is not Boston Market. I really like this bike, this Yamaha R.S.M, but I need my GSX-R back. I'm just not having that much fun with these videos without it. Losing a little motivation too in riding and stuff, man. I like the bike, but it's not my bike. You guys understand. So soon, man, soon. I'm sure it will be soon.
How do you do that thing where the wheel spins like that?
When I'm slowing down or speeding up?
You're slowing down.
What are you doing, Pato? Pato's pretty fun to ride with, man. He's a little speed demon. I care too much about my license. I got my share of tickets, man. I lost my license for years for speeding tickets. Right now, I am point free. That's the way I like it. I also have pretty good loyalty. Oh. Uh-oh. I'll race you to the white line.
What?
Race to the other side of the intersection.
On the top? Of course.
I beat him. Part of the cop. It's coming up. What? Is he having a party back there? Yeah, there it is. Oh, dude, I don't see his car. That's not good. Oh, hi. He might be closed today.
Taking Saturday off, huh?
Hi.
Your friend, I guess, donated some skateboards for the toy drive this morning. Do you know?
Oh, he did? The guy at this business?
Yeah.
Lap? David?
I didn't meet him. I was just, I heard it secondhand, and I just wondered if he'd want a turkey dinner. I don't know. Is he a vegetarian, or would he even want?
He actually sometimes is a vegetarian. It's funny that you said that. No, I think he would be just happy to donate without.
I'll tell him thank you again, then.
Yo, I just ran your motorcycle right through your window.
Nice, dude.
Sorry about that.
Wearing shirt.
Were you here earlier?
Yeah.
Yeah, the donation people wanted to say thank you so much, and they tried to give me your turkey.
Are you riding solo or what?
No, I'm with my friend Pat, who needs a chain tightened.
Oh shit. my bad, dude. I wish I would have known. I would have probably stayed. I just left
No, you're fine.
an hour ago.
Yeah. No, you're good.
Receivers BMW right now.
Yeah, well, it's a good Saturday. Enjoy the rest of your day, sir.
All right, brother. You too. I'll talk to you soon.
All right, later. So what is this, South County Outreach?
Mm-hmm. Well, it's our church here, right next door to you.
Oh,
Yeah. And South County Outreach donated the food, and then we did all the gifts and
that's awesome.
had kids sign up from around the area.
But, I don't know, there's a church out here. They're giving away turkeys and food. I feel like now's a pretty good time to make my announcement. So, I've had this long-time subscriber, man. Canadian guy. A lot of you guys probably seen this guy comment. He'd get first comment for years on my channel, man. It was like a thing. Anyway, a lot of you guys know, man, there's been a lot of crazy flooding up there in Canada. And unfortunately, our dude got wiped out, man. He's just all upside down, man. Middle of winter. Nowhere to go. Pretty sad. But, you know, he reached out and he was sharing some of the information. He sent me some photos and some crazy news articles. And I would like for you guys to reach deep in your heart. If he does have that GoFundMe, just give him a couple bucks, man. Let's help this guy rebuild. Link in the description of the video. Let's get this guy back on his bikes, man. Anything you can do. $1, 50 cents. Anything. Alright, let's go meet up with RBK. We're going to meet him at our destination. I still don't want to tell anybody where we're going. And the people that say that it isn't good, I think they're just in denial. What's that?
People just can't be honest with it.
They can't be honest with themselves. It's correct. So hungry! Guys, I'm hungry. Hangry even. You know what I'm talking about. Farmer Boys. I don't know that I've ever been to Farmer Boys. I hear good things about it, man. There's always people in the drive-thru. We're getting close. You guys guess? Oh yeah, here she is. Here she is. The glorious Olive Garden. Yeah, man. Come on. We all like Olive Garden. Everybody likes Olive Garden. Don't lie. Don't lie. Oh, I love Olive Garden. She wanted a piece. Oh, that's funny. All right.
I made it.
You're a basic bitch.
Yeah?
Welcome to the Olive Garden.
Olive Garden all day.
Right, that's the thing. Everybody has something to say about Olive Garden, but everybody secretly enjoys the Olive Garden.
I'll eat it, dude.
I know I'm going for the spaghetti and meatballs and the soups and the bread and the salad and the Alfredo sauce.
Seems like I used to get the tour of Italy or something like that.
Oh, you get the chicken parm, the lasagna, and a pasta.
You know this stuff, dude. You're like, no. So there's this guy from Germany. He really enjoys your content. You got him into motorcycling.
Yeah?
He's super appreciative of what you've done for him. So today, I'm buying lunch on his behalf for you.
No way.
Yeah. His name's Dennis. It's Den Moto on Instagram.
Den. Seriously?
Yep. So lunch is on Dennis today. I'm relaying Dennis, and we're gonna make it happen, buddy.
Dude, that's a big deal. This is one of my favorite spots, Olive Garden. Do you think they have Olive Gardens in Germany?
Probably not, but they might.
All right, Dennis. Thanks, buddy. In advance, we'll tell you how good the meal was at the end of the video. Appreciate you watching all the way from Germany, man. Glad that you could find me. Really, that's cool. I don't even know what to say. I'm so full.
Good.
Nothing sucked. Nothing ever sucks at Olive Garden. That's why it pisses me off when you guys are in the comment section talking smack about Olive Garden or Boston Market. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. And Dennis, you fed me for the full day, man. I'm not going to have another thing except some beers. I'll have some beers a little bit later. This was my first and last meal of the day, I believe. Thanks for all the support. That was cool, man. Thanks for reaching out, connecting with the dude. Mr. RB5K Pat O. Alright, links in the description for everything that we spoke about during the video. With that, I'll end this one. Later.